This is a podcast from the Business Times.
Good evening. It's Tuesday, August 11th, 2026. Here's your market-focused daily closing bell update by the Business Times. European shares edged higher today, lifted by energy stocks as Middle East uncertainty kept oil prices elevated, while investors awaited a slate of economic data later this week for fresh clues on growth, inflation, and the path of interest rates. The Pan-European Stocks X600 was up 0.1%. Rising energy prices supported oil and gas stocks, but concerns that a prolonged disruption around the Strait of Hormuz could stoke inflation and cloud the outlook for monetary easing kept broader risk appetite in check. Trading of cash, U.S. Treasuries was closed in Asia today owing to a holiday in Japan, but futures fell slightly, implying higher yields. The Reserve Bank of Australia held its cash rate steady at 4.35% for a second straight meeting on Tuesday, saying the economy was slowing as expected, but warned it might yet hike again if needed to control inflation. Asian shares drifted on protracted uncertainty over the global inflation outlook. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan swung between losses and gains and was up 0.36%, while South Korea's Kospi rose 1.3% as the latest escalation in Gulf hostilities kept market sentiment fragile. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index was down 0.6%, while China's CSI 300 Blue Chip Index eased 0.05%. Among currencies, the yen was back in the spotlight, struggling on the weaker side of 159 to the dollar and well off last week's high of 155.20 after several suspected rounds of intervention, including a joint one by Japan and the U.S. Elsewhere, spot gold was up 0.33% to just over $4,400 an ounce, and oil prices rose as negotiations between the United States and Iran over a peace deal and the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz hit an impasse. That's it for today. For more business news and market updates, visit bt.sg. And Lens on Daily for the latest tomorrow at 10 a.m.
This is a podcast by the Business Times. Find more BT podcasts at businesstimes.com.sg/podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts. This podcast is meant to provide general information only. SPH Media accepts no liability for loss arising from any reliance on the podcast or use of third parties' products and services. Please consult professional advisors for independent advice.